Affiliate Marketing with YouTube Shorts 2026. Complete Beginner Guide. Have you ever wondered if you can actually make money with YouTube Shorts? Not by becoming a celebrity, not by getting millions of subscribers overnight, but by using simple, short-form videos to generate traffic, build an audience, and earn affiliate commissions. If so, you're in the right place. Because in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how affiliate marketing with YouTube Shorts works, why so many beginners are using this strategy in 2026, and how you can start even if you have zero experience. We're going to cover the complete process: choosing a niche, finding affiliate offers, creating shorts, using AI tools, getting traffic, building an audience, and avoiding the mistakes that keep most beginners from succeeding. And make sure you stay until the end because I'll show you the exact model I personally believe offers one of the easiest entry points into affiliate marketing today. Before we get started, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications because I post new videos every week covering affiliate marketing, AI tools, faceless content, and making money online. Also, if you'd like access to my #1 recommended system, check the first pinned comment below. Inside, you'll find Daily Income Method, which includes training, tools, and access to over 100,000 viral video clips you can use for content creation. Plus, some affiliate opportunities can pay commissions of up to $200 per sale. And if you'd like to create faceless videos faster, I also have a syllabi discount linked in the pinned comment. Now let's jump in. First, let's answer an important question. Why YouTube Shorts? The answer is simple: attention. YouTube Shorts gives creators access to one of the largest audiences in the world. Every day, millions of people scroll through Shorts. They're looking for entertainment, education, solutions, tips, ideas, and recommendations. That creates opportunity. The biggest advantage of YouTube Shorts is reach. Unlike traditional content, where growth can sometimes be slow, Shorts can expose your content to new viewers very quickly. A brand new channel can receive thousands of views, sometimes tens of thousands, sometimes hundreds of thousands, and that visibility creates opportunities for affiliate marketers. Now let's quickly talk about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the simplest online business models available. You recommend products or services. People click your affiliate links. Some people purchase. You earn commissions. You don't create products. You don't handle customer support. You don't process payments. Your job is helping people find solutions. That's it. And when you combine affiliate marketing with YouTube Shorts, things become interesting, because now you have a way to generate attention at scale. Let's talk about niche selection. This is where many beginners make mistakes. They try to target everyone: fitness, crypto, AI, business, motivation, technology, health, finance, all on one channel. That's usually a bad idea. Instead, choose one niche, focus on one audience, solve one category of problems. Some examples include AI tools, affiliate marketing, personal finance, productivity, business, health, technology, motivation, self-improvement. The more focused your content is, the easier it becomes to build an audience. Now let's discuss finding affiliate products. Many companies offer affiliate programs: software companies, courses, memberships, digital products, physical products, and services. Some pay small commissions. Others pay recurring commissions, and some opportunities can pay commissions of up to $200 per sale. That's one reason I recommend checking out Daily Income Method in the pinned comment below. Now let's move on to content creation. This is where many people get stuck. They think they need expensive equipment, fancy cameras, professional editing, or advanced skills. The truth is, you don't, especially with Shorts. You can create content using screen recordings, slideshows, stock footage, AI visuals, educational graphics, product demonstrations, and faceless videos. In fact, faceless content is one of the fastest growing trends online. You don't need to show your face. You don't need to become an influencer. You simply need to provide value. And if you'd like to create faceless videos faster, check out the syllabi discount in the pinned comment below. Now let's talk about AI. AI has changed content creation forever. Instead of spending hours brainstorming ideas, AI can help generate video ideas, hooks, titles, scripts, descriptions, captions, content calendars, and much more. This allows you to create significantly more content in less time. And volume matters, because every short becomes another opportunity, another chance to reach viewers, another chance to generate traffic. Now let's talk about hooks. Hooks are critical. You only have a few seconds to grab attention. If viewers scroll away immediately, your content struggles. Strong hooks create curiosity. They create interest. They make people stop scrolling. For example, most people don't know this affiliate marketing trick. Here's how beginners are making money with YouTube Shorts. This AI tool can save hours every week. Simple, clear, curiosity-driven. Now let's discuss consistency. This is where most people fail. Not because affiliate marketing doesn't work, not because YouTube Shorts don't work, but because they stop. They upload 5 shorts, nothing happens. They upload 10 shorts, nothing happens. Then they quit. The reality is that content often compounds. The first few videos may not perform well. That's normal. The goal is learning, improving, testing, and staying consistent. Every short becomes another digital asset, another opportunity, another chance to gain subscribers and clicks. Now let's discuss traffic. Traffic is everything. Without traffic, nobody sees your offers. Without viewers, nobody clicks. Without clicks, nobody buys. The good news is that YouTube is constantly looking for content to recommend. And Shorts provides one of the fastest ways to reach new viewers. That's why consistency matters. More content equals more opportunities. Now let's talk about one of my favorite strategies, repurposing. Create one short, then post it everywhere. YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels. One piece of content becomes 4 opportunities. That's leverage, and leverage creates efficiency. Now let's discuss email marketing. Many beginners ignore this. That's a mistake. Traffic is valuable, but building an email list is even more valuable. Why? Because your email list belongs to you. Platforms change, algorithms change, but your email list remains one of the most powerful business assets you can build. That's why I always recommend thinking long-term. Now let's talk about mistakes. Mistake number 1, promoting too many products. Focus. Choose a few quality offers. Mistake number 2, being overly promotional. People want solutions, not constant sales pitches. Provide value first. Mistake number 3, quitting too early. Consistency wins. Mistake number 4, ignoring calls to action. Tell people what to do next. Subscribe, click a link, watch another video, join your list, take action. Now let's talk about what I personally believe is one of the best opportunities for beginners. Affiliate marketing combined with YouTube Shorts, AI tools, and faceless content. Why? Because it's scalable, low cost, beginner-friendly, and AI makes content creation dramatically easier. You don't need products, you don't need inventory, you don't need customer support. You simply need valuable content and consistent effort. And some affiliate opportunities can pay commissions of up to $200 per sale. That's one reason I recommend checking out Daily Income Method in the pinned comment below. You'll also receive access to over 100,000 viral clips that can help speed up your content creation process. Now let's quickly recap. Choose a niche, find quality affiliate products, create valuable shorts, use AI to work faster, repurpose content, build an audience, collect emails, and stay consistent. Remember, affiliate marketing with YouTube Shorts is not a magic button, but it is one of the most accessible opportunities available right now. The tools are available, the audience is there, and the barriers to entry have never been lower. If you found value in this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Have you started posting YouTube Shorts yet? I'd love to hear your answer. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.